All right, guys, here we go. Taking a quick look at the 2-minute chart on Meta. It is up almost 15% today, 31 bucks after earnings. Definitely a big gap. Let's look at the daily here, see how it gapped up. Now we have that red dash line, and that's a significant price level that we are, like, in all seriousness, like 90% plus sure we will get a pullback should we go up through it and back down. Our Patreon members know how to figure that. And yeah, we do this all the time. So yeah, high percentage, and I'm going to get it on video here because timestamps don't lie. And we'll see how we can do. Now, we are hitting this, unfortunately, it's high pivot in this area. Let me show you right through here. Uh, See where we came up, hit, came back down. Now we're testing that area, and we have to get through it. And let me pull this in so you can actually see what's going on. So if we get rejected there, come down, we'll look for let me move this up. We'll look for a red candle close under this blue dash line where the 20 simple 2-minute moving average is, okay? But I would love to see us actually go up and then come back down, and then that's when we would, slam in there and take that short position. Just we can hit that 240 area, 241, actually 241.69. And uh, I don't know if that's going to be close enough for government work because honestly, these levels, price levels, and moving averages, field lines, whatever, low pivots, high pivots, they're all kind of a range. And they, move like the, ropes on a boxing ring when the boxer leans into it. Probably a bad analogy, but I think you get what I'm saying. Let's see if we can get a little pushback up there. And yeah, see, that might be just a range close enough and it doesn't make it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put you on. Tell you what, we get a thrust back up. I might go ahead and take it here. Let's go ahead. Now we are on margin. Don't play this game at home. Okay. We are so, and then we'll, you know, uh, we come up into that zone. That's really the perfect area, that red dash line where we want it to be. If we come up there, we will double down on that puppy and see we can't get a run. The next support actually is going to be where the blue dash line is and the 20. I'm just looking left over here, seeing what we have on the chart. But yeah, basically, we've been trading in this sideways consolidation zone here all morning and see where we pushed up. That was the, I want to say that might have been the high of the day. Let me see. Yeah, 241.44. And right here was 241.24. Okay, so that might have been the high of the day. And see if we can't hit our, yeah. Okay, there we go. That's what we're looking for. Now, this kind of not really do or die, but for, near term, okay, there's, yeah, 1200 seed. Now we're losing uh, the 20. See, I don't know if you can see that. See the blue, this blue moving average and the blue dash line. Okay, now I'm going to move this to here. That's the next possible bounce area if we get there. Okay, got another minute to go. All right, that's how we're going to play this. If all of a sudden it reverses in the current red candle that we're watching, if it goes green, we'll go ahead and get out. That's going to be our stop loss. And we'll probably hold that for the next few seconds. We have another 50 something seconds left on this candle, but we're on a time count, so we could get a green candle next. So we might just go ahead and get out of it. Uh, when we close, got 40 seconds here. But really, the next support level, technically target would be this blue dash line, but we have so much leverage on the line. I don't want to, play around with it. Now there's 13. If we hit 13 again, 13, 20, let's see, we keep 13, 30, it closed it. You can roll the tape back. It was 13:30 we closed out at. So 7 seconds, 6 seconds, five. We'll see if we get a roll down, but I think we might get a green candle like we were talking about because of the time count. No? Well, coulda, woulda, shoulda. That's all right. It's better to be conservative here when you're, highly leveraged. But the main thing was pointing out pretty much the exact zone where we had a high odds, high percentage of a pullback on Meta, and that was the main situation there. And if you want to, look at learning some of these techniques, skills, give us a follow on Twitter, but more importantly, check out our Patreon member side because we, teach our members the, you know, inside info on these charts, these price levels, and how to get in, how to get out, how to scale and more importantly, scale in, scale out. There we go. Okay, it's rolling over. I'm surprised we haven't pushed. There must be a lot of shorts coming in, but that's a good, you know, place um, to try to short. But we did it. The higher that you can do it into the run up, the better. But you have to know exact, you know, place to do it, or you can get a flush back up there. And then also our Patreon members are taught three different ways to put their stop loss in, and which guarantees you're not going to have to keep adding to your account each month. There's depositors, and then there's people that have to withdraw every month. Okay, you want to be the people that withdraw every month. Pay their due, place, pay some blood to the IRS, and keep moving. And then the majority of people though have to deposit more into their account every month because it keeps getting, going lower and lower, and they have to put money in. Uh, so we want you to be a withdrawal person, not a depositor. Okay. So all right, this thing's already over 8 minutes long. People like them short and sweet. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the charts.